This video will help you to get rid of malicious pop-ups by the website Yworthth.online. Very often people see these strange pop-ups and they don't know how they got up on their screen. By the way, the occurrence of these alerts may be the result of some adware in your computer. Pop-ups by Yworthth.online try to deceive you with a lot of faulty messages. They tell that you need to tap the allow button to continue your browsing. In reality, clicking on this button is a very serious mistake that will lead to a lot of problems. When the allow button is mistakenly clicked, the browser gets hijacked, people start seeing strange ads popping up and pointing you to a lot of unfamiliar pages in the internet. Now, if the allow button was clicked, you need to immediately fix the issue. Go to the menu, click on Settings, then Site Settings and Notifications. Pay careful attention to the allow area. If you find any suspicious sites here, like this one, you need to remove this resource from the list. I would also recommend double-checking your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. The software called Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. However, it does have some free features, such as disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. You may click on Start Combo Scan and then the free research of your Mac computer will begin. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The program has performed the free research of Mac computer and at the end of scan some threats were found. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. This is the detailed report about the location of each specific thread in your Mac. You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and this will show you its exact location in Finder. After that, you may remove each specific thread manually, so one thread at a time. And this is the free way to remove threads manually from your Mac computer. Of course, you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threads automatically.